Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you to take control of your finances. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 10 money habits that everyone should follow. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you'll be on the path to financial success. So, let's dive right in. 1. Track your expenses. Keeping a record of where your money is going is crucial for understanding your spending patterns and making necessary adjustments. Use mobile apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook to track your expenses consistently. 2. Create a budget. A budget helps you allocate your income effectively, ensuring you meet your financial goals. Start by listing your monthly income and categorizing your expenses. Don't forget to set aside funds for savings and emergencies. 3. Save consistently. Make it a priority to save a certain percentage of your income each month. Set up an automated transfer to a separate savings account to make it easier and more convenient. 4. Pay yourself first. Before spending on discretionary items, make sure to set aside a portion of your income towards your long-term savings or investments. Treat this as a non-negotiable expense. 5. Minimize debt. Avoid unnecessary loans and credit card debts whenever possible. If you have existing debts, prioritize paying them off systematically by focusing on the ones with the highest interest rates. 6. Avoid impulse buying. Before making a purchase, give yourself a cooling-off period to consider if it's a need or a want. Delaying gratification can help you make more informed financial decisions. 7. Invest for the future. Explore different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Start early and educate yourself about the potential risks and rewards associated with each investment. 8. Diversify your income. Don't rely solely on a single source of income. Look for opportunities to earn passive income, such as through rental properties, online businesses, or dividend-paying stocks. 9. Review your financial goals regularly. Take the time to assess your progress, make adjustments, and set new targets. Regularly tracking your goals keeps you motivated and accountable. 10. Seek professional advice. Lastly, habit number 10 is to seek professional advice when needed. Financial advisors or experts can provide guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. They can help you navigate complex financial decisions and optimize your strategies. And there you have it. 10 money habits that everyone should follow. Remember, building good financial habits takes time and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. Start implementing these habits today and watch your financial future become brighter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.